How to change avatar to profile picture in Duolingo. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Duolingo application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, once you land on your home page, at the menu bar at the bottom of this interface, there you will find your profile icon, or that's simply your avatar icon. So tap on that. That's gonna take you to your profile page. From here, navigate to the top right corner and then tap on settings icon. From here, tap on this option that says change avatar. As you can see, there is no option to change your avatar to profile picture because Duolingo has recently removed that feature with its latest update. But in the oldest version of Duolingo, there was a feature to use your own customized profile picture. But with this latest update, this feature has been removed. So you can only edit or change the avatar within the Duolingo. You can change the skin tone, you can change the body, and there are multiple options such as eye color, expression, and hair color. You can have accessories as well. So you can change the way you like within this avatar in Duolingo, and you won't be able to add any customized profile picture. And hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.